This has a legit use case for those people who wants to help into their motives and everything. So this project is called PumpEQ. Again, it is PumpEQ. So it is from children books to NFTs. And the reason why I feature it to help parents and children to handle big emotions. So we are living into the society today that are very toxic, I would say. And before we start into this video, again, do not forget to subscribe into million children worldwide. Okay, and this is the reason why I will create a video about this. It is because it is giving us different missions, and also um, it is also interesting because they are do why did they rather create Pump EQ Hippos NFTs? So they do have an idea of creating an amazing community in the metaverse to contribute into their mission to make social emotional learning more accessible to kids, parents, and teachers. And I think it's better person as well, and of course there will be a lot of improvements when they are going to be able to handle their emotions pretty much very well into the future. Okay, so not just they are helping these people, they're also giving back into the community. They're giving more than 1,400 in Sol. If you are curious how much one Solana price is, we can now look forward into CoinGecko. And if you're going to look at here, okay, so there are more than 1,400 Sol. Okay, so 1,400 Sol is more than 11 million pesos, which is more likely $120,000. Okay, and they're giving it to their community, and for you to be able to participate, just mint your NFTs, and also they are giving back into the charities which is voted by the community as well in 1,000 Sol. So you can see here that in 1,400 Sol you can even buy a condominium or even live in a luxurious house uh, in this big amount of money. But here they're just giving it to the community because that's their way for them to show their love to them as well. Okay, so these are the economics of Pump EQ. Okay, so this is more like the tokenomics, and you will be able to earn passive income. So they are launching 7 books, and they are also planning to launch 21 more. So that's more like 28 with 3 series with the help of the community. So all of the profit for the next 21 books will be converted in Sol and will be redistributed among all NFT account holders. So this is more like an NFT to earn concept, that you're earning passive income, and also in a side of it you're also helping this community, or you're helping these children to improve their emotional intelligence as well. Okay, so they're also having this voting. So when they are having these NFTs, they have a voting rights to the charity that they want to invest the money, the order of the next books that will be created, the elements of the books, the languages to translate the project, other collaborations with other NFT projects, and much more than that. Okay, so let's now move forward into the roadmap. Okay, so how they will actually going to increase the EQ of 1 million children. Probably you are also curious because this is pretty much ambitious project as well. I'm not saying that it is impossible, but it is possible with a right roadmap, with the right mindset, with the right mission, with the right positioning as well. So there's a lot of things that are needs to be accomplished very well. And you can see here that they are giving giveaways from ranging from 300 sol, another 300 sol, another 500 sol, and you can see this is the roadmap. So they're launching the suggestions, the voting for the series, the publish, the translation of all of the published books, the charity donations, and every single stuff here as well. So these are the rarities inside PumpEQ. So there are more than 12,500 unique NFTs inside here, which of course these accessories like hats, backgrounds, skin colors, clothes, and even accessories makes it even unique. And this is the 6 unique NFTs with the book covers that are randomly placed in the collection, like anxious, calm, jealous, up to sad, hippo. So make sure to join their contest right here, so you will be able to win even 7,000 worth in Solana tokens. So just enter your details here. I'm also going to put this into the description box below so that you will be able to grab this one as well. So this is the Twitter. This is the creators, sorry, that are behind of this project, which includes Liviu, which is the co-author, Alice, and Kaya, which is the illustrator as well. So this is very legit, and also these are the team. Everything is complete. And if you have any questions, okay, if you want to know more of the announcements, do not forget to go into their official Twitter account, which you will be able to see directly here. And if you have some suggestions, rather, you can join their Discord, which I'm also going to put into the description box as well. Okay, so just join their Discord. So after that, guys, you're pretty much good to go. I suggest you get even one NFT just to support the mission, and also you'll be able to earn money from that. Just imagine that, guys, you're helping, also making money on the side as well. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this content. Also, this pre-launch contest will end on October 27, so make sure to join. And I'm also going to share the link, because you have great chances to win, because there are only few of us who are creating this kind of content, and I think you should not take it for granted as well, because when there are lesser people that are seeing it, the more chances to win as well. Okay, so this is everything that you need to know about PumpEQ. Again, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates, and see you on the next video, and God bless.